Welcome, everyone, to another coffee time with Clint and Tim. And in a recent, and actually just a few minutes ago, coffee time, we talked about the wonderful capability of turning the ITB website into your local language. And Tim, the co-host of Coffee Time with Clint and Tim, was talking to me about the functionality at YouTube that gives us essentially similar capabilities for different languages. Tim, what do you think about that? And can you enlighten the rest of the community as you've done for me?
Absolutely. And it's a great functionality. And I'm sure a big part of our audience already know this, but you can see your YouTube in your own language and it won't change everything. Do you want me to screen share and show you how we do it?
Yeah, that'd be great. Did I give you the screen share? Are you okay?
Yep, I'm good. There
Hey,
you
look at
go.
that.
So hopefully you can see Clinton and me, an AI version of us on the left-hand side. And this is the latest ITV community update we just put out yesterday or the day before. And if you come into your YouTube account on the right-hand side where you see your account icon, or it might be your picture or whatever, top right-hand side, you click on the drop-down box and you will see here the display language is currently set to English. If you click on that, you can basically choose any language that you want. Let's say Filipino, because I'm in the Philippines, and you click on that and it will change video. It will change your site into Tagalog, and you see here one commento. Why am I putting a Spanish accent on it? I don't know. So it doesn't change everything. Obviously, it can't change the title of the video. It doesn't change the comments that I put in, although some of the bits have been changed. You can see all these here. But what's really cool is when you play a video, if you hover over the video and you see down here, you've got the closed caption icon, you can toggle that on and off. So if you toggle it on, you'll see up here
Oh, really cool.
the transcript. And to change the language of the transcript, if you click on the setting button here, where is it? Here, this is the language. You click on that and you can choose whichever language you want it to be in. Let's take Catalan. And as we're talking English, here it is in Catalan coming across the bottom.
Wow.
Okay, so that's very easy. So what it does is YouTube automatically transcribes the video into English. And because you've selected, or I've selected Catalan in this instance, it changes that transcript automatically into Catalan for you. So it's really good. So you can choose any language and you can now comfortably, if English is not your first language, you can comfortably watch the transcript being given to you in your own language, even though we're speaking English. So I'm sure that's going to be a big help.
Fantastic. Because we've had a number of people saying, hey, do you have in fact, at one time, Frank had Frank, the owner of Infinity Traffic Boost and co-founder along with me, he actually had a separate German Infinity Traffic Boost. Um, and I think it still is in operation, but because of this language, anybody anywhere is able to come and join our community. And that's one of the important things is we are worldwide, our tagline is we are worldwide Bitcoin accumulation and advertising community. And now we're taking that to the next step by using these wonderful tools that are available to us. Now, if this makes sense to you, maybe post a little comment for us here. Let us know if it's helping your team. And more importantly, Tim, we probably want people to ask any questions to get clarity, right?
Right. And, ITB is a global community and language shouldn't be a barrier. So I tell you what would be really nice is why don't you comment beneath which country you're from and which language you speak?
Great idea. Great idea. Yeah, just let us know and let us know if this is helping, whether it's the language change with inside the ITB channel or using this now. And it'd be really, really wonderful to see where everybody's from and what language they're speaking and if this is helping. I think, Tim, let's make a mental note to in our next newsletter to ask people to do that. I think that'd be really helpful for us to see what languages people are speaking. And I know when I talk to people around the world, like Tim, like you said, everybody speaks English to some extent, but
Right.
they're not as comfortable speaking it. They're a lot more comfortable reading it. And I think this is going to
Right.
be a huge help for our community.
Absolutely.
Good. Well, this has been kind of fun. I
Yeah.
even learned some stuff today. You know, my native language is English, but I'll be a lot more able to help people that have questions and we can move forward. So good.
Excellent.
Excellent. And excellent explanation, Tim. Any other thoughts or comments here before we wrap up?
No, I just think it's great that, I think, well, first of all, I think YouTube is, outstanding that it can do this. Just brilliant. So good job, YouTube, for a change.
Yeah. Excellent. Excellent. Well, thanks everybody. And one other thing too, in the comments of any of our coffee time videos, if you have a suggestion, please post it. All right. As I mentioned before, there are so many little fun, valuable things within the Infinity Traffic Boost community, which, by the way, is going to be 10 years old in February. But Frank's created so many cool things, and we want to share those with you. But if you also have a question, it may help us uncover those, and maybe there's even some little features that we can add if it's something you'd like to see. All right.
Good
So
idea.
I think we're good. I want to thank everybody. Tim, thanks for walking us through the YouTube side, and we
Sure thing.
appreciate it. And let's rock and roll, have some fun, stack a lot of sats, and help a whole lot of people do the same. Thanks, everyone.